Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brian856. In this video I'm gonna guide you on how to add an time in your Chrome VPN to secure your online browsing when you're using the internet. Okay, so in case you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how to add the time in your Chrome VPN such that you secure your online connection when you're browsing on the internet. Okay, so let's begin. So what you need to do is to go and click to open up your Chrome VPN. Okay, you must have already downloaded it. Okay, so what you need to do is to come, this one is gonna be quick. You have to just come and click here. Okay, and tap here to generate an ad. As you can see, I've successfully received the reward. Okay, time has been added onto your VPN. You can run it for any time that you want and watch an ad to secure your internet connection when you're using it. It is very fast, very fast, and I refer you to use this bundle, this one here, which is going to help you to secure your internet connection when you're using it. So let me test on YouTube and you see. Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel. I think you can see that it is very fast. You can secure your internet connection properly with it. Thank you so much for watching. I sign out. So in case you're new here,